Hello all, welcome to Naresh IT Labs. So in this particular video, we are going to discuss about how to download Eclipse as a package, and then we will be configuring Eclipse on Windows 10. We are also going to launch Eclipse and see how we can do this. So for this, in Google, I'm just searching for Eclipse download. Now you will see this official website of Eclipse, which is www.eclipse.org. So just click on this. And here you can see the latest version of Eclipse. So here you have a link called as download packages. Just click on download packages. And in the next page, there is an option called Eclipse IDE for enterprise Java and web developers. So as we are going to configure on Windows, I would be clicking on this x86_64. And here in the next page, you have a download button. Hit on the download button. That's where the download of Eclipse would happen. So this Eclipse will be downloaded under the downloads folder. This is the one. So what I'm doing is I am cutting this from this folder, from the downloads folder. In the D drive, I have a folder created with the name called training. Under this, I have created a Selenium folder, and here I'm having a folder called installation files, and that's where I'm going to paste it here. So once you have pasted, so right click on this. As this is a zip file, we need to extract. So here there is an option called extract all. So I want to extract under this installation files folder. So this is the path that I need to install. Rest of the things I'm going to delete and then click on extract. It takes some time to download everything. So you can keep the zip file in any folder of your choice. It's not necessary that you need to keep this under D drive, training, Selenium, and installation files. As I want to organize my things in a proper way, that's where I have created a folder called installation files under Selenium. That's where I'm extracting. So all my files will be under one location. So let's wait until the download completes 100%. So once it is extracted, there will be a folder called Eclipse which is created under this installation files. Open that. So in order to launch Eclipse, we need to double click on this Eclipse file. So here, what I would recommend to do is create a shortcut for this Eclipse. So every time if you have to launch, you don't need to come all the way to D drive training Selenium installation files and Eclipse. So what I'll do is I will pin this to the taskbar. So whenever you want to launch Eclipse, you can launch it from the taskbar itself. So to do that, right click. There is an option called pin to taskbar. So here there is an option called pin to taskbar. Okay, just click on it so that the Eclipse shortcut will be created. So now I would hit on this particular icon, so which is on my taskbar. Just click on it. Now it will start launching your Eclipse. So now here it is asking for a workspace. So workspace is nothing but the place where you want to save all your Java programs or Selenium code. So by default, I want to keep it under C users Naresh Eclipse hyphen workspace. This is the default workspace what it would be created with. So what I can also do is I can select my own location where I want to save my automation scripts and all or JavaScripts. So for that, click on browse. Let's say I want to save all my programs under D drive under this training folder under Selenium. So here I would be creating one folder. So let me give the folder name as so I'm giving the folder name as Java with Selenium. I'm selecting that folder. This is where I want to save all my programs. Just click on launch button. And now you would see that Eclipse which is launched. And here this is the welcome screen. You can simply close this. And this is how the Eclipse would look like. Thank you.